In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add an order in Woocommerce. Manually adding an order can be especially useful for those moments when you're processing offline sales, taking phone orders, or dealing with direct bank transfers. With Woocommerce, you have the flexibility to add orders right into your system, ensuring that your sales records are complete and up to date. First things first. Open your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once there, you'll see the login option, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Login. Enter your username and password, and make sure to use the credentials associated with your Woocommerce-enabled website. If you happen to be someone who manages multiple sites, be careful to select the right one. After logging in, your next stop is the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your website's command center, giving you access to all your site's features and settings. Once you've found yourself in the dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you will see a set of options, one of which is Woocommerce. Click on it. This section is where you will manage most of your store functions, including orders, products, settings, and more. After clicking Woocommerce, the page will display several options. Among those, find and click on Orders. The Orders section is a hub for all your incoming orders. Here, you can oversee all ongoing transactions, keep track of shipping statuses, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Now, to add a new order manually, look for the Add Order button. This option is typically found at the top or sometimes within the page. It allows you to open a blank order form. When you click on Add Order, the system will present you with a series of fields that need to be filled out. Inside the order page, start by entering basic order details, such as the customer's information and the products they've purchased. Pay careful attention while entering these details to avoid any mishaps during processing. You can also specify any custom order notes, which are particularly helpful if there are unique terms or conditions tied to this order. Additionally, use this opportunity to double-check shipping and billing details to ensure everything aligns with how the customer's order will be fulfilled. After you've filled out all necessary fields, you're ready to save this order. There should be an option at the top or bottom of the page that says Save or Create Order. Click it, and voila! The manual order is successfully added to your Woocommerce system. You can then track and process this order just like any other, ensuring the buyer receives their products quickly and efficiently. And that, in a few easy steps, is how you manually add an order to Woocommerce. With a little practice, you'll become proficient at handling manual orders, keeping your e-commerce operations smooth and efficient. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.